Welcome back to pronunciation practice. This week we will practice everything from the entire semester in one lesson and review for your second midterm. So this is pre-work for week 14. Practice the following exercises to help you remember what we have studied so far this term in pronunciation practice class. Now week 1, there was an introduction to vowels, consonants, and syllables. Exercise 1. Underline the consonants in the following words: workplace, understanding, negative, learn. Number 2. Underline the vowels in the following words: concentration, success, happiness, health. Number 3, how many syllables are in the following words: combination, planning, theater, termination. Now week 2, we talked about the schwa and 2-syllable word stress. Circle the schwa in each word and write how many syllables are stressed in each word. For example, number 1, appreciate. Mark how many syllables and circle the schwa. In appreciate, there are 4 syllables and the schwa is in the first syllable, appreciate. Number 2, esteem. Esteem. Number 3, muffin. Muffin. Number 4, father. Father. Number 5, mother. Mother. Number 6, daughter. Daughter. 7, contain. Contain. 8, solidify. Solidify. 9, produce. Produce. 10, control. Control. 11, production. Production. 12, opponent. Opponent. 13, academic. Academic. 14, technical. Technical. 15, practical. Practical. 16, regarded. Regarded. 17, purpose. Purpose. 18, suffering. Suffering. Week 3, we talked about th and th and compound word stress. Identify which sound, th or th, is in the following words. Practice saying the sound and the word. Number 1, therapy. Therapy. 2, thinking. Thinking. 3, thus. Thus. 4, throat. Throat. 5, thin. Thin. 6, thesis. Thesis. 7, then. Then. 8, there. There. 9, theme. Theme. 10, theft. Theft. Week 4, we talked about tense and lax vowels, e and I, as well as sentence stress. Now for each word, underline the sounds e and I. Write the symbol over the correct part of the word. Some of the words have more than one sound to underline. Number 1, English. English. Underline the correct sound and write which sound it is. Number 2, window. Window. Number 3, business, business. Number 4, field, field. Number 5, people, people. Number 6, feet, feet. Number 7, coffee, coffee. Number 8, dinner, dinner. Number 9, service, service. Number 10, anything, anything. Now, how many content or stress words are in the following sentences? Circle them. Practice reading the sentences with the correct stress. And write how many content or stress words are in that sentence. Number 1, I heard you have a new boyfriend. Is that true? I heard you have a new boyfriend. Is that true? Number 2, it is true. I met him last month. It is true. I met him last month. 3, what school does he go to? What school does he go to? He goes to the technology school and he wants to become an engineer. He goes to the technology school and he wants to become an engineer. Number 5, is he the right kind of boy for you? Is he the right kind of boy for you? Week 5, we talked about voice consonants and statement intonation. Make sure your voice consonants are very strong at the end of words. Don't forget to practice that. Now, in this exercise, circle the voiced stop consonants in the following sentences. Practice saying these sentences. Now, number 1, I feel so very bored and I want to go home. I feel so very bored and I want to go home. Number 2, are you going to feed your cat? She looks hungry. Are you going to feed your cat? She looks hungry. Number 3, my favorite kinds of fruit are oranges, durian, grapes, and bananas. My favorite kinds of fruit are oranges, durian, grapes, and bananas. Number 4, my dad told me that my mom was sick, so I had to go home. My dad told me that my mom was sick, so I had to go home. Number 5, good things about winter are the coldness, the fresh air, and wearing warm clothes. Good things about winter are the coldness, the fresh air, and wearing warm clothes. So for voice consonants, make sure they're very strong endings. For example, in number 1, bored. In number 2, feed. In number 3, oranges. Okay, so make sure all voiced consonants at the end of words are very strong. Now, week 6, we talked about tense and lax vowels. Number 2, we talked about and oo, I, ah, and ah, as well as question intonation. Now, which vowel is in the following word? Write the vowel next to the word. Number 1, book, book. Number 2, boot, boot. Number 3, bay, bay. Number 4, boy, boy. Number 5, bat, bat.